The Roro Bus Transport Terminal along Cubao Main Avenue in Quezon City can no longer operate starting today. The Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA and the local government of Quezon City ordered the closure of the said terminal for lack of necessary permits. The terminal wasn't able to secure a permit to put up required facilities like PWD areas, comfort rooms, and waiting areas for their passengers, among others. Also ordered closed is the DLTB bus line along EDSA Timog Avenue for turning its terminal into a garage in violation of its business permit. The MMDA says it had given the bus companies ample time to fix their terminals, but they failed to do so.
Sa totoo lang, napakatagal na ito, taon na ito, di ba? Na paulit-ulit na lang, hindi na tutuloy. So this time itutuloy na natin. Alam na ng mga bus terminals na yan na may problema sila. Hanggang ngayon hindi nakakasunod.
Meanwhile, the Dimple Star Bus Transport is given 5 days to explain to MMDA why their terminal along Cubao should not be shut down. This is despite having no location clearance, sanitation permit, fire safety compliance, and other required permits. But the caretaker of the bus line have this to say.
Ready na po kami yan lahat. Nasa plano na po yan lahat. Meron na po kaming kwan dyan, ipapagawa po yan. Meron na po yan. Papagawa lang po namin yan. Kasi nakasked na po yun.
Some passengers of the Dimple Star and Roro Bus Transport are dismayed after their travel was delayed due to the sudden closure of the terminals.
Hindi ko naman po alam kung nga pasasara na po eh. Kaya kahapon nakakuha kami ng ticket. Ang sabi sa amin, 9 daw po ang alis. Kaya maaga pa kami kanina dito.
Mahirap din. Kaya nasanayan na namin dito eh. Isang lalayo pa kami doon. Dito kami sa Caloocan. Tapos ang bibiyahe pa kami ng Laguna. May imbes makatipid kami, hindi na. Lalong dadagdag ang gastos na.
Aside from the said bus lines, 7 other bus terminals in Quezon City were issued with final closure notice for repeatedly violating the nose-in, nose-out policy. The MMDA warns all bus lines of closure once the agency receives new complaints against them. Joan Nano, UNTV News and Rescue, Quezon City.